Hey, what's up guys? Today, Clever Mom is going to talk about the Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10 Quart 16-1 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. First of all, let's talk about the design. With a 10 quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for cooking for a large family entertaining guests. You can cook an entire chicken or even a small turkey with it. And the DualZone technology allows you to cook 2 different foods at once, saving your time and energy. Now, let's talk about the 6-in-1 functions. This air fryer can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. It's like having 6 appliances in one. And the Smart XL technology ensures that your food is cooked evenly and truly, so you don't have to worry about any undercooked or overcooked spots. One of my favorite features of the Ninja Foodi's 10 quart air fryer is the easy-to-use digital touch screen. It's intuitive and user-friendly, and you can easily set the temperature and cooking time for each food item. And with the pre-programmed setting, you don't have to guess how long to cook your food. Just choose the setting and the air fryer does the rest. Another advantage of this air fryer is the non-stick coating on the inside of the cooking pot. It makes cleanup a breeze, and you don't have to worry about any food sticking to the bottom. But like any appliance, there are some downsides to consider. One of the downsides is the size. While the 10 quart capacity is great cooking large meals, it also means that the air fryer takes up a lot of counter space. So if you have a small kitchen, this may not be the best option for you. Now let's talk about the price. At around $199, this Smart XL air fryer is a bit on the expensive side. However, when you consider all the features and functions that it offers, it's definitely worth the investment. Finally, let's compare this air fryer with some other popular air fryers on the market. The Philips XXL air fryer has a similar capacity, but it doesn't offer the same versatility as the Ninja DZ550 Foodi. The Quart air fryer Max XL is less expensive, but it also has a small capacity and fewer functions. As a signing out message, this air fryer is definitely worth considering. With its large capacity, multiple functions, and easy-to-use digital touch screen, it's a great investment for any home cook who wants to save time and energy in the kitchen. That's it for today's video, and I hope you like and enjoyed. Thank you. See you in the next video.